Students, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to the class. Today we are going to interpret poem Enterprise by Nissim Ezekiel. Ezekiel is a very famous Indian English poet, and the publication of his poems by Fortune Press in London, it heralded a new era in the field of Indian English poetry. The poem Enterprise can be interpreted at various levels. Ezekiel has used the metaphor of pilgrimage, journey, to make his stand clear about various things. He says that whenever we are going to begin a new enterprise, a new task, or when we set a new target before ourselves, we are full of gusto, we are spirited, we are enthusiastic about this journey, this new goal, this new achievement that we have set forth before ourselves to be achieved. When we begin the journey, then we face some problems, some hardships are there. And due to these hardships, some of our enthusiasm fades away. Even then, we continue the journey. After reaching almost midway, we realize that our other companion of this pilgrimage, they have lost their hope and gusto. Their enthusiasm has almost faded away. They talk of giving up the journey, the task, the enterprise that all of us had undertaken earlier. All of us had planned to achieve. And meanwhile, what happens? Due to the frustration, due to the differences that have arisen among ourselves, we think of totally leaving that group. Some of us think of totally giving up the task. And it happens in life as well. Sometimes we want to achieve some particular target, but due to the obstacle and hurdles that we have to go through, that we face, we give up in the midway. And he says, in our group, it happened that some people were very talented, but they left in between. But author says that he was loyal to the group and he continued his journey, and the leader of the group, even he was hopeful that they will achieve success ultimately. Author, the leader, and other people who were on this pilgrimage, they continued their travel among hardships, obstacles, and troubles. After some time, when they reached the destination, they realized that they had lost so much. Although they had achieved at the point where they wanted to achieve, now they were successful. But during this course, during this journey, during this pilgrimage, they lost their friends, they lost their loved ones, their hopes were defeated, and now they think that this journey has been futile, it has been of no use. So the metaphor of pilgrimage and the various interpretation that can be attached to the poem, they say we can interpret them at various level. The poem, the pilgrimage, the enterprise, it gives us, it denotes towards group psychology, that how we people, we start to attain, we want to attain some lofty gains, but due to hurdles, due to problems, due to the differences, we leave the task unfinished. One interpretation could be this, that we should search our inner self. We should if we want to have a meaning of the life, we should search ourselves. We should see what my conscience says, what does it think, what should be done ethically or morally. The other thing is, Ezekiel might want to say that when we are on this pilgrimage, when we are on this earth living a life in this society with our family, then we should be careful about others, our companions, our family members. We should pay respect to their aspirations, their needs, their demands. We should live with a mutual understanding. In the poem Enterprise, Ezekiel has used various symbols to make his meaning clear. We will continue with the interpretation of the poem Enterprise by Ezekiel in our next class. This much for today, students. Thank you.